Imagine the scent of freshly cut wood and the hum of saws at work. The dream of turning timber into art is powerful, but starting a woodworking business with just $1,000 can feel daunting. The real journey isn't about expensive tools, it's about creativity and passion. Limited funds can spark innovation and resourcefulness. With careful planning, you can start small and build something truly special. The fear of high startup costs is a common roadblock for many aspiring woodworkers. It's easy to be overwhelmed by the price tags on professional-grade tools and premium materials. This fear can make the dream of a woodworking business feel out of reach. But it's crucial to remember that every expert was once a beginner. The idea that you need a fully equipped shop to start is a myth. Many successful woodworkers began with just a few essential tools and a lot of determination. Start by focusing on what you can create with what you have. This approach not only saves money, but also fosters creativity and innovation. Understanding that you don't need to spend a fortune to get started is empowering. It allows you to focus on honing your skills and building your business gradually. By prioritizing your spending and making smart choices, you can overcome the fear of high costs. The key is to start with the basics and expand as your skills and business grow. This method not only reduces initial expenses, but also ensures that each investment is purposeful and strategic. Let's delve into what these essential tools are and how to prioritize them. Starting a woodworking business on a budget means focusing on essential tools. You don't need every tool, just the basics. A circular saw, drill, and sander are versatile and affordable. Invest in a sturdy workbench for a solid foundation. Add hand tools like chisels, a hammer, and screwdrivers. With these essentials, you can start creating and selling your work right away. Before rushing to purchase new tools, take stock of what you already have. Many aspiring woodworkers overlook the potential of their existing resources. Assessing your current inventory can save money and help you make informed decisions about what to buy. It's a step that's as important as budgeting itself. Look around your home or garage for tools and materials that can be repurposed or used in your woodworking projects. You might be surprised by what you find. Even basic household tools can be adapted for woodworking tasks. This approach not only saves money, but also encourages a resourceful mindset. Consider asking friends or family if they have tools they no longer use. Borrowing or buying secondhand tools can be a cost-effective way to build your collection. There's value in community and collaboration, especially when starting out on a tight budget. Repurposing materials is another way to stretch your budget. Old furniture, pallets, or leftover wood from previous projects can be transformed into new creations. This not only minimizes waste, but also adds a unique character to your work. Embrace the potential of what you already have as you embark on your woodworking journey. Starting a woodworking business within a $1,000 budget requires creativity, especially when sourcing materials. New wood can be expensive, but there are, so many alternatives. Repurposing and recycling materials can not only save money, but also give your projects a unique story and character. Look for opportunities to use reclaimed wood. Old pallets, discarded furniture, and construction offcuts are often available for little to no cost. These materials can be transformed into beautiful, one-of-a-kind pieces. This approach also appeals to environmentally conscious customers who appreciate sustainable practices. Networking with local businesses can open doors to free or discounted materials. Some may have excess wood or scraps they're willing to give away. Building relationships in your community can lead to mutually beneficial arrangements, providing you with resources without straining your budget. Thrift stores and online marketplaces are also great places to find affordable materials. Keep an eye out for unique finds that can be incorporated into your projects. With resourcefulness and creativity, you can source materials that not only fit your budget, but also enhance the quality and uniqueness of your work. Consider the story of John, an aspiring woodworker who started with just $500. John's passion for woodworking began as a hobby, creating simple projects in his garage. With limited funds, he focused on essential tools and repurposed materials. His determination and creativity laid the foundation for his success. John began by making small items like picture frames and birdhouses. These projects required minimal materials and allowed him to hone his skills. By selling these items at local craft fairs and online, he gradually built a customer base and reinvested profits into his business. As his reputation grew, so did his business. John expanded his tool collection and started taking on larger, more complex projects. He never rushed the process, ensuring each step was financially sustainable. His journey is a testament to the power of starting small and thinking big. John's story is inspiring because it shows that success doesn't require a huge initial investment. With passion, patience, and strategic planning, he turned a modest start into a thriving business. His experience offers valuable lessons for anyone looking to start a woodworking business on a budget. Creating a woodworking business with $1,000 requires careful planning and strategic decisions. Start by setting clear goals and a realistic budget. This ensures that every dollar is spent wisely and contributes to your business's growth. Begin with essential tools and materials, focusing on quality over quantity. Establish a workspace that suits your budget. This could be a corner of your garage or a small rented space. Keep it organized and efficient, maximizing productivity. A well-thought-out workspace enhances your ability to create and manage projects effectively. Marketing is key to building a customer base. Utilize free or low-cost platforms like social media to showcase your work. Building an online presence helps reach potential customers without significant financial investment. Engage with your audience, share your story, and build relationships that translate into sales. Continuously reinvest profits into your business. As you earn, gradually expand your tool collection and explore new materials. This approach allows for sustainable growth and ensures that your business remains financially sound. With determination and strategic planning, a woodworking business can thrive on a $1,000 budget. Embarking on a woodworking journey is both exciting and challenging. It's important to remember that every successful woodworker started somewhere. Taking the first step, regardless of your budget, is the most crucial part of the journey. Your passion and creativity are your greatest assets. Don't let financial constraints deter you from pursuing your dream. Embrace the challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. The skills and knowledge you gain from starting small can be more valuable than any tool or material. They form the foundation for a successful business. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Connect with other woodworkers, seek advice, and share your experiences. This network can provide encouragement, resources, and inspiration. Together, you can overcome challenges and celebrate successes. Remember, the path to success is not a sprint, but a marathon. Be patient, stay focused, and remain committed to your goals. With persistence and a positive mindset, you can turn your woodworking dream into a reality. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth every step. Starting a woodworking business with just $1,000 is not only possible, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. By focusing on essential tools, leveraging existing resources, and being creative with materials, you can build a strong foundation for your business. The key is to start small, think strategically, and grow sustainably. Your journey is unique, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Learn from others, but carve your own path. The stories of those who have succeeded remind us that passion, resourcefulness, and determination can overcome financial limitations. These qualities are the true currency of success in woodworking. Take the first step today. Assess your resources, make a plan, and begin your woodworking adventure. The tools, materials, and knowledge will come with time. What matters most is your willingness to start and your commitment to persevere. Your woodworking dream is within reach. Embrace the challenge, trust in your abilities, and let your creativity guide you. The journey may be challenging, but the satisfaction of turning your passion into a successful business is a reward like no other. Take that first step and make your dream a reality. click the link at the bottom of the description. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.